Hi Lovies! Welcome back to Missy Journals. Today I have a very quick little project share that I would share with you guys to show you what I did with the coupon cases that I just hauled from the Dollar Tree. I told you guys when I haul things, I don't usually use them for what they're for. So like a week ago, 2 weeks ago, I think, I did the whole, I will link it up right here and down in the Dropbox. I did the altered Dollar Tree pencil cases for Happy Mail. So that totally inspired me to see if I can't find something else from the Dollar Tree that I can alter for Happy Mail. So when I was cruising that aisle, I came across the coupon holders. Now these have been around for a long time. I'm sure everybody has seen these. They have different styles of them. I really like the clear plastic ones, and I thought these are a fantastic idea to alter and fill and send for Happy Mail. They were super easy to make, as you can see, and I have two to show you. I didn't save one for a tutorial, but I'm going to walk you through real quick just in case you'd be interested in making one of these. They were a lot of fun, and I think whoever will receive this will love it, because then when you're done with it and take all the goodies out of it, you have a really cute coupon holder on top of it that you can throw in your purse and take with you after you get all the goodies out, of course. So, excuse me. Actually, I think I need a little drink of water. Hold on one sec. The weather is changing here in South Pennsylvania, and it's really bothering me. I went outside and did some weeding, and now I'm like, ugh. Yeah, anyways, that doesn't matter. So, the first one I did, I wanted to, of course, use my brand new paper pad that I just hauled from Michael's. I'm obsessed right now with everything moon and stars and planets, so I wanted to use the Moonflower Magic. So I used this awesome paper pad and then the planner stickers from the Dollar Tree, which let me see if I can't find the other pack I have so you can kind of see what it looks like in the front. I'm not sure where I put them. Hold on, guys. Here they are. Okay, so that's what the front of this one looks like. I used that. I thought they worked pretty well. So this is like really Dollar Tree. And I just made a pretty little space theme. So this is the front and this is the back. Isn't that freaking adorable? So there is a closure. This pops open. And then, of course, it folds out, and then you have all of these pockets. Now, I didn't fill this one up all the way, but I wanted to show you. So you have pockets, 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 and more pockets, and more pockets, and this little bad boy comes out. Look, you have more pockets. This folds back in on itself, and then you have a little section in the back. So this puppy can be jam-packed full of fun things to send to your swap partners for Happy Mail. What the heck is this? A little piece of hair. Okay. For Happy Mail. And then, like I said, when they take all the goodies out, they're left with this adorable little container for their coupons, what it was naturally intended for. So super, super simple. I think you guys can see it got lots of stickers and bling. You're making the front look pretty. The technical part is, I'm going to insert just a little clip here, is after you attach this piece, this portion here looks awful because you did get the clear plastic ones. So anything that you put on the front is going to show in the back. So as you can see all the tape and all the caca. So you're going to cut a cording piece of cardstock to stick on the back to cover that up, so when, you know, your swap partner opens that, it doesn't look horrible. And then, of course, you need the slit here to, you know, put your little piece in so that this closes. That was the hardest part of making all of it, which was just lining up two pieces of paper. So, of course, I just took my little box cutter from the Dollar Tree. I laid this piece down, and then I took this piece and laid it down as well. And then I just cut, cut. Now this piece, this one, I didn't cut anything on the back, so it slips up underneath of that. The secret to that is just don't put any adhesive there, so it'll tuck like right back up underneath of it, right? And then it left you with jagged edges in the paper because you used a box cutter, and it looked absolutely horrible. So I just took a piece of washi, and then before I attached it, I just took my box cutter, of course, and made little slits, and then I took this piece in like this, and I used the other side and just kind of tucked all the little washi up underneath here so that it makes like it covers that little hole. It's not absolutely perfect, but it doesn't look like a a raw jagged edge. It works really, really well. And of course the washi gives like a little accent piece. And then the little lip right here just tucks right up underneath like that. No problem. 1, 2, 3. And then you'll fill this up, and you have the most adorablest little swap, little pocket, whatever you want to call this, that could be filled with goodies. So I did fill the second one. I'm going to show that one to you guys. This was the first one I made. This was like my, my little, I don't even know what you want to call this, was the first one I made. So any like mistakes, it's all in this one. But my second one, I had the hang of it. It didn't take as long as to make this one because the hardest part was trying to figure out the little slit so that the little piece can go up in. So the second one I made is Christmas, of course, because the second one that I got was pink. And I think this one turned out super, super cute. And this is a lot of Dollar Tree as well. These little gingerbread men I just hauled in my last haul with these plastic coupon holders from Jot. Super, super cute. So the paper that I chose, let me grab it real quick. This one also is from my Michaels haul that I just did. It is from the new pad Sugar Plum. I just love it. It's so stinking cute. And I chose the gingerbread men, and that paper's pretty busy, so I didn't do as much, on it. But what I did do on this one, which is a little different, is I took one of their mock washi strips, and I just adhered it at the bottom and the sides, and that makes a makes a pocket. And you can stick, stuff down in there because now you have a little pocket, because you can see how busy the paper is. You're not going to put a whole bunch of stickers and stuff on it because the paper is really busy, but you can stick some fun little goodies in here. I put the little gingerbread boy down in here, and then I backed all my paper just to give it, some textural interest. This one I used the minty green because I love the mint green with the pink, and this one I did black because it is space themed. And then I did the exact same thing. I took washi with sprinkles. I thought it was very appropriate because we're doing cookies, and I did the exact same thing. I cut the slit. And then what I did do for this one that I didn't do for that one to see if it worked better is I put a slit through both papers. So here's the green, mint green paper covering the yucky tape marks and all that stuff like I showed you. I put a slit between 2 of them. That was a little more difficult trying to line up the 2 papers, but either way works. They go together either way. I find that this one's a little more fuller, though. This one has more stuff in it. I find that this one goes in easier, and I think the reason why it goes in easier is because this back piece of paper doesn't have a slit in it, so that black piece of paper forces that little plastic piece up. So if I was to recommend this, if I was to recommend a way, I would not cut the slit. I would leave this just a whole piece of paper if you're thinking about recreating this. So I did it both ways just to see which way was better, and I think this way, leaving the paper whole, is better than cutting the slit through both of them. They both work. I can get this closed. I just think that works better. So of course you have the 2 little pockets here. So I have some fun little things stuck in here. This one is pretty full, so I'll just show you. I have stuff in pretty much all the pockets. I'm going to put more in here, of course, but this is just a fun way, super fun way to send fun things to your swap partners for Happy Mail. I mean, I think that's so stinking cute. And of course, I did the same thing in the back. I attached another piece of paper to cover up my back so that you can't see all like the, you know, the tape marks and everything. And that is the back of this little altered coupon holder. So I think this turned out super, super adorable. You guys let me know down in the comments what you think. Now I'm going to show you, now that, like I told you guys, this one's a little bit fuller than the other one. But this one I have a little bit of trouble with once in a blue moon, trying to get this to go up. And I'm telling you, look, watch. I'm telling you, I think it's because there isn't a back piece of paper. Do you see how easy that just went in? Now this one isn't as full though. This one I have to work with a little bit, and you can feel like the pieces are like right there. And I did put some chipboard pieces in there, and I think it's just because it's full. That's why it's a little harder to get in. But like I said, if I had to redo it, I wouldn't put the slit between both of them. But I'm gonna, just for the sake of the video, I'll put that back in. But I think these turned out super cute. The only thing I was thinking about is I have a couple of these pink little bows I'm gonna ask you guys. Now I think these guys are really, really cute the way they are, and there is like the green popping through this, and I like the little pop of red. It brings out the colors, but I was wondering what you guys thought about maybe changing out the green bows for pink. Do you think the pink is just too much? I couldn't decide. I really couldn't decide if the pink bow was something I should do. I don't think it'll stay on there, but hold on. Let me see if I can't get it to like, okay. Like, what do you think? Up! Like, what do you think? Is the pink bow too much? Is that like too much pink, or does that like finish it? And then put a pink one on him? Or just the pink one on her and leave the green? Or is the green better? So that you have like that pop of color. I don't know. I couldn't decide. I was like, I don't know. That might be too much pink. But you guys let me know. But anyways, that's it, guys. That's my real quick. I just thought I'd jump on here and share with my project share with you guys that I thought this would be absolutely adorable to do for Happy Mail swaps. I absolutely love this. I would be thrilled to receive this in a Happy Mail swap because it's freaking adorable. And then after I take all the little goodies out of it, you know I'm going to throw this bad boy in my purse and use it for coupons. And like this one for Christmas, all of my Christmas receipts could go in this. And every time I pulled it out, I bet you it would be a conversation starter about how cute my coupon or receipt holder is. And this was a buck from the Dollar Tree. And even these guys was from the Dollar Tree. Okay, guys, I'm going to quit blabbing and blabbing. I wish I could get this back in there. I can't. My desk is higher than I am. So I don't want to, like, take all the time, like, to, like, there. There, it went right in. There we go. I just had to angle it the right way. See, it goes right in. But I'm telling you, I think it'd be a lot easier to get in if I didn't cut that slit. So if you're thinking of recreating that, I wouldn't do that. I would just leave it all one piece on this side instead of putting that slit. Because I think that back piece of paper forces this to go right up in. Now, yeah, this one's going to make me a liar now. There we go. So, it's super, super cute. You guys tell me down in the comments which one you like best. And if you think you're going to recreate these. And if you absolutely, positively think you need a tutorial, I'm going to the Dollar Tree tomorrow. Let me know. I will pick up another one and we'll do a Halloween one. Because I was thinking about, you know, using some of my chunky embellishments here. And I was like, oh my god, these stickers from the Dollar Tree are adorable. I bet you I can make a really cute Halloween one as well. So, you guys let me know. If you absolutely positively think you need a tutorial, I will do it. But it's really, really simple, guys. Anyways, thanks so much for joining me today. I hope that you guys liked my little, simple, little project share. I love making stuff like this. My mind's always about doing swaps and exchanging and Happy Mail and pen mail and all that stuff and sending some goodies to friends and family. So you tell me what you think. I'm gonna go. I could blab and blab and blab. Have a great afternoon, guys. Have a really blessed weekend. I'll be talking to you very soon in the next one. Until then, stay creative and always journal what you love.